Moiguatea is the same as muriega, muri ahoro. It's another form of greeting. Ndamwamukira kihiguro-ini gitu kia YouTube, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. Ni njĩtagwo Mary. Ngwĩhoka nĩ mwakeneire kĩrĩa gĩthomo kĩratwathomire hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ. Ũhoro wa plural and singular. Ũingĩ na ũnini kana ũnini na ũingĩ. Ũmũthĩ tũkwĩruta ũhoro wa adjectives. Twambĩrĩrie. You have guru, that is old. Opposite of guru is jero. You can have an example like ona nguo nĩ cianyiha, agũrire jero. After she saw the clothes were smaller, she had bought new ones. Then you have big, nene, and then the opposite is nini, small. And you have mini, that is nyingi. You can use nini when they are few. Nini can be used for either whether they are few or small. Then you have jarie, that's wide. Then jeke, maybe a wide road, a narrow road. Then you have juru, bad, and jega, good. You have up, igoro, and then down, the. Igoro, the. Then you have tall, muraihu, amkuhe. Normally this is for human beings. Then you have beautiful, mudhaka, and ugly, mutoti. Then you have expensive, oro, kanauge, raithi, cheap. Then you have heavy, dito, heavy, dito. When it's light, hodho. Then quickly, naihenya, quickly. And kahora, slowly. Kahora, slowly. Then you have itoga, that's a rich person. Itoga, a rich person. Mudeni, a poor person. And with that, we come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have already subscribed. If you have not, please do so. Would appreciate. And please give us any comment that will help us improve the channel. Tigwo ina wega.